Pure Tassa silk saree, premium quality, hand painted. Very elegant hand painting design done on acid washed, boiled, pure, soft Tassa fabric. A very beautiful silk it is with the pallu color having a black here, and we have hand painted design in the pallu. Main colors used are blue, orange and pink. Very elegant pyramid shaped design, and we have the blue color for the blouse piece. It's a contrast blouse piece, something like body color. It is completely contrast to the pallu, and here the saree have a very elegant scenery. You can see the cranes, the birds sitting in the sand. That is done in the black background, and the blue part of the saree starts here. On top and bottom we have the black with hand paints. The plain blue part comes in the middle, and when it goes to the lower portion it comes like a half and half. The top half is completely blue, and the lower half we have the black with the birds pattern. It's a beautiful sunset kind design done very elegantly in the hand painting on a pure tussar, and it comes with authentic silk mark. Pure tussar silk saree, hand painted. A very elegant hand painting design done on acid washed boiled tussar fabric. A beautiful pallu here, multicolored pallu with black, yellow and orange color shades vertically along with the zari lines. And we have a very contrast maroon color blouse piece. Beautiful one with one side yellow borders. The saree completely have beautiful colors. Maroon, yellow occupies the whole saree with the peacock design hand paint. Here we have a very elegant peacock design. Multiple colors used for it. A beautiful peacock it is with the grey base for the stone design. The peacock all over, it comes in the lower half of the saree. The top half having the maroon, beautiful deep maroon color, and we also have yellow part for the background of the peacock. Beautifully, the lower part of the saree is having black zari borders. Antique finish zari is used for the zari border. Elegant saree, really beautiful hand painting and with authentic silk mark. Pure tussar silk saree, hand painted, very elegant, acid washed boiled tussar fabric, lightweight, very elegant silk it is, and we have hand painting work in the saree completely. We have a multicolored pallu. You can see various colors in the pallu. Along with that, we have cream color hand paints in the pallu as well with the zari lines, and we have a contrast black blouse piece, very beautiful color, black blouse piece it is with the antique finish zari. The complete saree have the border in black only, so the contrast color, the antique finish zari is used all over, with the saree having a very elegant design. The top half is completely hand painted using the multiple colors. You can see base of green and all colors are used, rainbow colored beautiful saree with the black starting in the top portion of the fleet, and it comes almost like a curvy portion. You can see almost half and half of the saree is black here in the bottom portion with the hand paints at the bottom. Really beautiful saree. It's a colorful saree too, hand painted very elegantly with authentic silk mark. Pure tussar silk saree, premium quality, hand block printed with zari borders done on a premium acid washed boiled tussar fabric. Here we have a beautiful hand paint design. The pallu, the color of the saree is a navy blue here, beautiful dark shade blue with very elegant hand paints in the pallu. We also have zari lines as usual. The same navy blue blouse piece, plain blouse piece with both sides zari borders. The zari used here in the saree is completely antique finish. You can see the color, dark antique finish golden zari is used. And all over the saree we have beautiful hand paints done in a floral pattern, big flower design. The flowers are done in multiple colors, very elegant colors, and leaves are done in green. And when it goes on, the hand paints continues all over the saree, only in the lower part. The upper part is given plain. Very elegant saree, beautiful color, and the combination of the hand paint is in contrast colors and saree comes with authentic silk mark. Pure tussar silk saree, hand painted, premium quality, very elegant, acid washed boiled tussar fabric, very lightweight, beautiful silk. And here we have a pallu in dual color, orange and yellow color in the vertical way, and we also have hand paints on the pallu with zari lines as well. Very beautiful pallu with the bright orange color. It is almost a rustic orange color. blouse piece, a plain blouse piece with both sides zari borders. The complete saree is having beautiful zari borders on the yellow and orange light shade base, two shade color in the border design, and the saree here is also very elegant. The starting of the saree, the pallu is this, and you can see a beautiful dual tone color, both yellow and orange occupies the saree wholly. The top half we have the orange in the middle part, and both sides of the saree, top and bottom, we have yellow with hand paints. In the lower half, if we go, it comes like a half and half, and top is completely orange and yellow on the bottom. The butterfly design and the floral pattern is really elegant hand painting here using the contrast colors, and it comes with authentic silk mark. Pure tussar silk saree, hand painted, very elegant hand painting design done on pure boiled acid washed tussar fabric, a lightweight pure silk tussar. And we have a black pallu here with block printed design in the pallu, and we have zari lines also. Black blouse piece, plain blouse piece. Here the black is used, so antique finish zari, golden zari is used all over the border. You see complete saree having the black border with antique finish zari. And we have a two different beautiful design. The hand painted design here, multiple colors used for the hand painting, the floral pattern, and it is very differently brush painted one, you can see, with the polka dots also in brown, multiple colors used. The top half is completely block printed portion, very beautifully it's done using black on the cream base. Very elegant saree, really classy and very exclusive one with authentic silk mark. Pure tussar silk saree, hand painted collection, very elegant, acid washed boiled tussar fabric. On it the hand painting work is done. It's a very soft and lightweight saree with pink pallu. We have a very beautiful floral design. The flowers are done in a very unique black color base, very beautiful hand paints with zari lines also. And we have same pink blouse piece with one side yellow borders, the zari border collection it is. Complete sarees having zari borders also in the golden zari. And we have beautiful starting of the pallu. You can see the top portion of the saree having yellow at the middle, and both sides we have pink portion with the black flowers. And when it goes to the lower half, we have the complete yellow plain part at the top and the pink part at the lower half. Really beautiful one. The black flowers are really eye-catching and very attractive, exclusive too, with authentic silk work. Pure tussar silk saree, hand painted, very elegant acid washed boiled tussar fabric. Here we have a very beautiful pallu, multicolored pallu. It is in the base of black. Multiple colors are given here with the leaf and a spiral pattern painted. And we have a contrast black blouse piece, complete black it is, contrast to the body. The zari border here is in black base, so it is done using the antique finish zari. You can see the beautiful work. And a very different pattern hand painted here. This is the starting of the body, the chest portion. You can see multiple colors used here, yellow, red, purple, and it goes on. And the red portion comes here, the maroonish red it is with the just painted design. And again the same semicircles pattern with multiple colors is given at the bottom of the saree. Really beautiful, very different design, completely hand painted on a basic beautiful tussar, and it comes with authentic silk.